So hey guys, in this video we are going to solve one problem based on what buck boost circuit, buck boost converter. So it is basically the output voltage of buck boost can be either higher or lower than the input voltage. Okay, so the input voltage is given over here 24 volts, and all the other parameters are given D, R, L, C, F, everything is given. We have to determine the output voltage, average inductor current, maximum minimum inductor current values, as well as the output voltage ripple. Very simple problem. So I'm just going to name it as A part, B part, this C part, and the D part. Okay, so starting with A part, we have to first find out the output voltage, which is given by V out, and it is equal to direct formula minus Vs into D divided by 1 minus D. This is the formula we are having. So what is minus of Vs? Vs is given 24 volts. D is also given 0.4 duty ratio divided by 1 minus 0.4. So this particular thing. So what will be the answer of this? We will be getting minus 16 volts. So output voltage we got. Let us proceed with the second part of the question where we have to find out the average inductor current. So average inductor current basically IL will denote, and it is given by direct formula Vs D divided by R into 1 minus D square. Okay. So Vs is given 24 volts, D is 0.4 divided by R value is 5 ohms, right? 5 ohms. It is given in the question. 1 minus 0.4 whole square, it is equal to 5.33 amperes. So the average inductor current also we have got. Next C part is to find out the maximum minimum inductor values. Okay. So IL max and IL minimum. IL max direct formula we are having, which is nothing but the basic thing is that IL whatever is their average inductor current plus delta IL change in that delta IL means change in current divided by 2. This is IL max. Now what is IL? IL we already have the formula. Already we have the answer. Now we have to find out what delta IL by 2. So we'll find out first delta IL by 2, or otherwise you can directly substitute and find out. Anyways, okay, delta IL by 2 is basically delta IL is Vs dt by L. By 2 is also there, so I have to put 2. Okay, so it is equal to 24 volts into 0.4 into T. Instead of T, see T is a time period. Reciprocal of that is what frequency. I'll put it down. Divided by 2 times of L value. What is L? L value is 20 microhenry. Micro, okay. So 20 into micro means 10 to the power minus 6 into frequency. How much they have given? So I'll just write over here. So this is 100 kilo means 10 to the power 3. This is capacitance micros. 80 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is also micro. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is Henry. This is Farad. And this is Hertz. So frequency is 100 kilohertz. So 100 into 10 to the power 3. We'll be getting it as what? 2.4 amperes. Now add these two, you will be getting the IL max. Okay. So it will be 5.33 plus 2.4, which will be equal to 7.73 amperes. In order to find out IL minimum, minimum inductance, minimum inductor current, that is basically IL minus delta IL by 2. Okay, only difference is that here plus is there minus will be there. So here same formula, the same thing you have to put. Instead of here plus, I am going to put minus. So 5.33 minus 0.3 minus 2.4, which is equal to 2.93 amperes. So this two part also we got. This is the C part. Let us go for the D part. Output voltage ripple we have to find out. So D part is to find out output voltage ripple, which is denoted by delta V out by V out. And how to calculate? D divided by, this is D divided by CRF. So what is D value? 0.4. Capacitance value given in the question is 80 micro. So 80 into 10 to the power minus 6, R value is 5 ohms, frequency 100 kilohertz. Substitute will be getting voltage ripple as how much? So we'll be getting it as 0.01, which we can say it as it is nothing but 1%. Okay, so this is a voltage ripple. So this is the final answer. So all the questions we have found out the answer. Okay.